Welcome back. No. Let's do that again. Welcome back to the stage of history. We're playing Stargazer, and we are getting closer to the end. Ooh, I can afford that. Seems like a good idea. Oh, it has magical defense. Okay. Maybe Time should have that one since she's the better healer in battle. Oh, that's just magic defense. Well, whatever. I guess I should have expected that. Oh, is it just 600? They raised the price on me. Alright. So we've got a couple quests. Just a couple. We have to, play the dating game. And for that, we're going to this forest. And we're also supposed to find, feathers. Okay. Boing. Hey. Ah, shit, there's so many of them. Oh, yeah. Whee! Well, now she can heal herself, although I have some of these. There we go. Let's play matchmaker. Alright, there we go. Battle. Oh, I like it. I like it. I'm digging the fact that they have new music in every area. They're not doing too much damage, which is good. There we go. Load up that music. Let me... keep on fighting. Nice, free heal in just before the end of the battle. Oh, someone's about to level up. I'm a little muted. I'm feeling like there's almost not a whole lot to say anymore about this game now that we're coming up near the end. It's not like there's been any kind of climax or big plot moment other than the one scene in the Chancellor's place. Ooh. Ooh! Very rude. We need to up our... equipment. We need to up our weapons so that they can go down faster. I think our armor is about as good as it's gonna get for right now. At least until, I don't know, the 8th chapter. There's a meteor! Well, I be war the cave. Nah, don't do that. Just... right now it is thermos of water and pretzel time. I hope you will join me and have a snack of your own. I think I'll turn my audio up a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know where Comet is again. Ooh! You know, what's their I'll wait until the next level. Come on. Too fickle. Whoa, who's that guy down there? He looks cool. Alright, so there's 2 more meteors on this map. Oh, hey! Another Boyd. You know, maybe if you stopped calling her stupid, she'd have more self-confidence. Alright. Well, I'm not done here yet, though. I want to get them meteors. Hy-Vee to the Meteors. Impact, okay. Oh. Alright, I found that. There's that dude. Being all cool. Let's go say hi to him. First, let's save. Oh my gosh, could this be an actual boss battle? No, it's the regular encounter music. Let's see what the pen does. Nice! Alright, let's do Star Shield. I don't have any more of that. I'll have to go back and get some. Oh. I was expecting more of a fight. I'm hoping I can get some stronger healing magic from her, because it's not been very good so far. Alright. We did most of what we needed to do there. Nah. Ah, there's another feather. How many do I have now? Oh, I'm one away. This shouldn't be too hard to find. There it is. Honk. Increased magic defense. I mean, I'll give it to somebody. It doesn't really matter. Now, what I can do is upgrade my peeps. I guess I forgot that they don't really have... Like, magic defense doesn't really matter against those enemies. I can get this meteor, though. She should have pretty good MP right now. She does. 165. I hope you're enjoying my casual eating podcast. On the next episode, I'll eat and play some more. Yum.